Alright, we're getting ready to clean a carpet. We've it's all been vacuumed, and we're going to clean this half of this big room first. Then we got that half back there to do.
We got 2 bedrooms to do as well.
We're not going to try to bid it. It's actually really, really dark in this house. And so it's going to make everything look weird on the camera. It's going to boost some things, so you may actually see artifacts on the video that we don't see with the naked eye. So you never know when the room's this dark how it's going to turn out. There's not a whole lot of bad stains in here. When they called us, they said that the carpets are really, really filthy, but they're not too bad, really.
Well, they asked, can you get stains out? I was like, yeah, we can probably get some stains out. Of course, if you guys know who we are, we get stains out.
Now, it just depends. Sometimes they have had their carpets cleaned before, so it also depends on what other cleaners have used, what products they've used. Sometimes you can set a stain permanently if you're not careful, so. And they were steam cleaned the last time, so.
Yeah, these carpets they're nice, but they're old and they're worn. And you can tell. The nap is matted down.
I had to put my reading glasses on. Having trouble. Now I can see the viewfinder on the camera a little bit better.
Yeah, Joe's getting old and he may need some real glasses soon.
I might.
He's an old man, you guys. He's an old man.
Well, I stood outside in the sun talking to the guy that lives here because they got an Impala SS, a 96, and I used to have a 95, so we started talking about Impalas, and he's getting ready to fix his up. And of course, I was out there without my sunglasses on the whole time, so. Yeah, now I'm basically blind.
Come over here, lift this cord up. Lift it up by that Gallagher machine. Or asteroids. Just for a second, okay? Hang on. Keep it up. Drop it. And yes, we're going to move that chair in case any of you are wondering.
Yeah, you ready?
Hang on. Yeah, just move it temporarily. Hold it. Put it back.
That was a heavy metal chair. Oh, since people always ask, this is being cleaned with simple green and just a little ammonia. And we ran out of PadCap Pro and we haven't been able to resupply yet.
We've been PadCap Pro and we really like it, but
yeah, we got to get some more in.
We're out, so we're going back to what works.
Yeah, we didn't have time to find anything else to do.
Yeah.
We actually cleaned for a guy yesterday, I think, and he actually owns a chemical company, a cleaning chemical business. He has a big old truck that he goes around and sells and distributes, and so we're talking to him a little bit, and we might have to figure out a deal to get him. Get involved with him in a little bit on some cleaning chemicals.
Maybe a little bit.
Because he gets them at a wholesale price. So we told him we could do chemicals with him and he could join our group and he could advertise his chemicals. So we may get a deal going with him and try some of his stuff out.
We just might.
He's got a lot of enzymes and things like that too. So he definitely sells carpet cleaning chemicals. All right, is that it for the first half?
Yeah.
I'm going to pause because you don't need to watch him spray half a room down. And we'll be right back. All right, back to cleaning.
You got to follow me around a little bit.
Yeah, I'll try to.
Because I got to go around all this furniture and stuff.
Yep. Yeah, there's not much to it.
They're kind of clean too. I don't know if it shows the camera. In truth, if it's looking real good in here, the camera's showing a lot of light because it's dark in this room.
Yeah, it definitely can affect the video.
It's dark enough. I'm having a hard time seeing everything. Watch out.
Alright.
I'll tell you what, these back pads, I'm still really loving them. They're nice products. The best I've ever seen.
Yeah.
If you're gonna clean carpets, just do the right thing and order some of these and be done fooling around using other stuff. I mean, there is nothing better. I thought I saw a putty tack. I mean a stain. Hang on here. Now, I'll tell you what, we may be out of PadCap Pro for the time being, but we got the bonnets, so these bonnets work with everything.
Yeah. Now there's a lot of people.
PadCap Pro too.
There's a lot of people who are going to get angry when they hear that we did this with the simple green.
But you know what, we're supposed to.
But it works.
We're out of chemical.
Yeah, it works, and
We're out of encap. So.
yeah. There's a lot of people say, "Oh, you can't do that. You're not supposed to."
Well, we
it's
are
like,
doing that.
the truth is that none of that stuff's true. I know we know tons of cleaners that are actually using this stuff, and I mean, we're talking people that have been cleaning for 20 years or so, and they tried it out and they like it, so they just use it. And it's fine.
And it is safe on wool carpets.
Yeah, and it's safe on wool. Now,
which
if you don't feel comfortable using it, don't use it.
Don't use it. Use something
Yeah,
else.
it's okay to just use what you feel comfortable with, because you're the one that's doing it, and you're the one that's going to be.
Whatever makes you feel like a pro.
Yeah, you're the one that's going to be going out and trying to get customers and do jobs, and you need to do what you feel comfortable with, and what you can get your customers to be happy with, and that's the thing. So there's a lot of hype out there about you have to use this chemical, you have to use that chemical, and it's just a bunch of hype. It's just a way to get people to spend more money. Now, if you've got some stuff you like and it's kind of expensive, use it.
No, I think this room is done, to be honest with you. You're still see a lot of stuff on the floor that looks like dark stuff that we missed. That's lint. There's all kinds of
Yeah,
stuff
their vacuum doesn't vacuum super deep.
All this stuff is coming off. That's not stuff we missed. That's vacuum cleaner.
Well, the lady said she bought a brand new Kirby, I think an Avalara, $2,000, and somebody took it all apart, and she don't know how to put it back together. So I guess one of the kids played with it or something, disassembled it, and she's going to have to take it about 70 miles away to a place and pay to get it put back together for her. So she's having to use it's a really little basic, yeah, there you go, a little cheap bagless Bissell. And it's not getting deep down to the carpet very good.
We used one of these years ago, and I'll be honest with you, it made me want to quit vacuuming.
Well, we vacuumed a long time with it. I mean, like a room this size, we go over it from every direction you can think of.
Don't get them wet.
Yeah.
We got ours wet.
I'm gonna wrap the video up here because the other rooms you can't even see in.
They're way too dark. Yeah.
This room is dark, and those are even darker. So we'll take a look at the Asteroids game. I need something like that. I'd like to get Defender. That was always my game in Galaga. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.